Here's the 2006 3-ton Rheem air conditioner in my brother's house. His house is like 1,000 square feet or something, but it's not running right now. It's got a Protect fan motor, and there's a cobalt scroll compressor right there. That is a cobalt scroll. Rheem. It's from the 6th week of 2006, and it's a 3-ton. And model number RAND-036JAZ, serial number 7297 M0606-17718, from the second month of 2006. So, yeah, 6th week. And it doesn't look like it hasn't been running for a while, I think. So, yeah, this is the downstairs unit. The upstairs is the one in the backyard, and it's running. And that unit's running. Hold on. Yep, it's running. That's the upstairs. Yep, that is running really good. From the 2nd week of 2006, model number RAND-042JAZ. It's a 3.5-ton unit. So, yeah. It's running. It's got an Emerson fan motor, and it's got a good install to the attic. There's a disconnect box. It's got an Emerson filter dryer. Yeah, this is a January 2006 3.5-ton unit. So, yeah, that's the upstairs. Maybe next time I'll